Today I will be talking about Catholic Relief Services. Now, Lepanto Institute has done a good deal of research into Catholic Relief Services, and one of their most objectionable things that they do is they promote condom usage. So I took a look at Catholic Relief Services 990 tax form for the year of 2018, and this company is a big business. Their revenue that year was $923 million. The prior year, their revenue was $1 billion. Their president makes $470,000 a year, and the vice presidents, I'm going to list off their salaries: $276,000, $275,000, $230,000, $224,000, $218,000, $256,000, $202,000. Basically, they are paid like corporate executives. Under Part 8 of their 990 form, it is the Statement of Revenue. It says that they received $453 million in government grants. So then they also received $466 million in other grants, which are probably most likely private grants. And I'm wondering, where is this money coming from? Now, some of it comes from the Pro-Abortion Ford Foundation, some of it comes from the Pro-LGBT MacArthur Foundation, but for the rest of it, it would be interesting to see where it comes from. So when I looked at the financial report for Catholic Relief Services for 2018, it gave some statistics. It said they received $14 million for the CRS collection. I'm assuming this is whenever they pass around the basket for the second collection at Masses. And also they received $8,800,000 in the CRS Rice Bowl collection. When you add these two together, it comes to $22,800,000. This is calculated as 2.5% of their annual revenue. This means if you have ever said that you're not going to donate any money to the Catholic Relief Services second collection, and you're going to tell all your family and all your friends not to donate any money, if that would happen, and if every single person would stop donating money to Catholic Relief Services, they would lose 2.5% of their revenue. That's it. The ladies' donations of second collections to Catholic Relief Services is so insignificant to Catholic Relief Services that the bishops won't even notice if you stop donating your $10 a year in the second collection basket. Almost half of their funding comes from the government. The rest comes more or less from private grants. There's not really much we can do about it. I mean, we can complain about it. I can post a YouTube video about it. But the biggest thing you can do is talk to your priest, talk to your bishop about Catholic Relief Services. Let them know this is going on. Those are the people that are going to have the largest impact on what happens at Catholic Relief Services.